Hello friends, let's do Kasta Kachori, quick and easy Kasta Kachori, for which I have taken 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. I am taking a mixing bowl here and putting the maida. For 2 cups of maida, 2 tablespoons of oil, that is the normal cooking oil. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and half teaspoon of salt. Let's give it a mix with our hands. Just see, after mixing the salt and the oil, let's put some water. It's the normal cold water. Go on putting the water little at a time and mix it and make a dough. Now our dough mix is ready. Let us keep it for rest for 10 minutes. Let it rest for 10 minutes. By the time it's getting rested, let's do the filling. For the filling, I have taken the moong dal, the fried moong dal, what we get in the market. Instead of soaking the moong dal and then roasting it, I am taking the fried moong dal, what we get ready-made in the market, maybe Haldiram or anything. This is a slightly spiced, salty moong dal. Let's grind the moong dal first in a mixie. Let us grind them nicely. After grinding the moong dal, it's not very fine, it can be little bit coarse as well. Let us put that in a mixing bowl. For the coarse moong dal, now let's add the spices. Half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, since already salt is there in the moong dal. Some fennel seeds, crushed fennel seeds. I'm taking it very little because my kids don't like them. If you want, you can take them more too. Chaat powder, half teaspoon of chaat powder, and half teaspoon of jeera powder. Let's mix them well. Let's take a small pan now and heat up the pan. Put 1 teaspoon of oil. After the oil gets heated, let us put the mix and roast the mix once, for 1 to 2 minutes. If you don't have chaat powder, you can put amchur powder too. Let's roast it for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's remove it in the same bowl. Let it cool fully. For the filling, let's put 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Now our dough is ready, and after mixing it with water, after resting for 2 minutes, now filling is also ready. Let's do the kachoris now. Let's take the medium size dough. It's a fulka size dough, a small chapati dough, and roll it by the sides. Just go on pressing it and make it thin by the side, and take it like this and fill the filling inside it. As you see, Just fill it like this, press it, and make the stuffing. That's it. Give it a small roll and press it. Now the kachori is ready to go into the oil. Let's make some more. You can roll it with the rolling pin as well if you can't do it with the hands. Just and now you can just do it like your hands like this and fill the dough. With 2 cups of all-purpose flour, I could make 12 kachoris, a medium-sized kachoris. If you want to have so many kachoris at once, you can also store them in a glass jar or any box. Just spread some little bit 1 or 2 drops of oil and keep the kachoris you want to store. Now it's medium hot. Keep the flame to medium flame and let's fry the kachoris now. You can just press it once again like this and put the kachoris in the oil. After 1 minute, let's turn the kachoris. Put oil like this so that they puff up nicely. Just see how they have been puffed up. Now see how golden in color they are. Let's take them out on a tissue paper. Now our kasta kachoris are ready. It's a easy method of doing kasta kachori. Let's make the chaat now. Break the kachoris from between. Let's put the khatta meetha chutney now. Let it go inside. Some coriander mint chutney. Some onions. Some curd if you like. Sprinkle some jeera powder on the top. Some chaat powder on the top. Some coriander. Lastly goes the save. And if you like, a little bit of sweet chutney. That's it. Our chaat is ready to have. It's yummy. Let's have a bite. Enjoy this with your family and friends. It's a great appetizer too. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.